Did you know you can send SMS messages directly from Claude Cowork using your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway MCP server and connect it to Claude Cowork so your AI assistant can send text messages with just a simple prompt. How does this solution work? Claude Cowork connects to the Ozeki Android SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, where your Android phone acts as the server. When you send an SMS, the message travels from Claude Cowork to your Android phone, which then forwards it to the SMS service provider for delivery to the recipient. What is Claude Cowork? Claude Cowork is a desktop productivity application developed by Anthropic that brings Claude AI directly to your Windows desktop, allowing you to automate file and task management workflows using plain language instructions without requiring any coding knowledge. What is an Android SMS MCP server? An Android SMS MCP server is a model context protocol server that runs directly on an Android smartphone and exposes SMS functionality as structured tools that any MCP-compatible AI client can call to send real SMS messages through the phone's SIM card to any phone number with a single tool call. To get started, download the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway app on your Android phone by scanning the QR code or visiting the URL shown on screen. Before you can use the MCP SMS server, you need to install the Ozeki SMS client on your Android device. The app will serve as the local SMS gateway that Claude Cowork connects to over your Wi-Fi network, so make sure both devices are on the same local network, as this is required for the HTTP connection to work. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app on your Android device and tap the MCP tab in the bottom navigation bar. Tap the toggle switch to start the MCP server. Grant the required permissions and copy the API endpoint URL that appears below. To configure Claude Cowork, add the Ozeki SMS entry to the MCP servers block in your config file, replacing the address placeholder with your Android device's IP address. To add the SMS MCP server to Claude Cowork, open Settings, navigate to the Developer section, and edit the configuration file to include the Ozeki SMS server entry with your Android device's IP address. After saving the changes and restarting Claude, verify that the Ozeki SMS connector appears with a connected status in the Connectors panel. To test SMS sending, type a plain language instruction in the Claude Cowork chat prompt asking the AI to send an SMS to a specific phone number. The assistant will call the Send SMS tool, and you will see the successful result confirming that the message has been queued for delivery. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app on your Android device and navigate to the Settings tab to access the logs. Select the MCP tab to view the incoming tool call requests and responses, confirming that your SMS was dispatched successfully. You have successfully configured the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway MCP server with Claude Cowork. Your Android device is now acting as a local SMS gateway, enabling you to send text messages to any phone number using plain language prompts over your local network. with no cloud messaging API or third-party service required.